Hello friends. Today I'm going to be showing the effects of the Dr. Pen A7 and the Derminator 2 on banana skin. We have a Derminator banana. We have a Dr. Pen banana. I'm starting with the Dr. Pen A7. I'm going to turn the dial all the way up to 2.5 so we can test on the Dr. Pen banana. Again, this is at 2.5, the longest length you can microneedle with, and we're going to place it on the banana skin, right flush up against there, see that? Turn it on, and we're gonna drag, okay, go ahead, turn it off, readjust, all the way down to 1. Turn it on, move it on over, drag again, turn it off, readjust, all the way down, 2.5. Find a good spot on this banana skin because it is a little bit of an old banana. Turn it on, drag again. And now set this banana aside and turn off our Dr. Pen A7. This mofo ran me $170 something bucks. Next, we test the Derminator banana with the Derminator 2. This little machine right here. It first asks if I'm using a single needle. I'm going to say no, because I'm using a 12 needle. But there are also 9 needle cartridges available, along with single needle cartridges. I prefer the 12 needle. Say yes. And we can start with the speed, which is, I'm going to use medium because I feel like that gives the best results. We're going to start with good old 2.5 and just go ahead and do the same thing we did with the Dr. Pen. Drag it again. See how I got it flush with the banana skin? I'm dragging it. It's right on there. Alright, now we're going to readjust the depth all the way up to 0.5 because that's what makes sense. We're going to go ahead and drag it again. See how it is flush with the banana skin. And I'm going to test it in an area where there aren't any marks previously just to see if this thing is legit. And we don't have any confusion over which marks are old banana marks and which marks are Derminator marks. Readjust all the way up to 1. Here we go again. Draggy drag, draggy drag, drag some more. Now we can turn this off and set it aside. Kind of shaped like a tattoo gun. Alright, so here we are, talk about the Dr. Pen A7. This has now oxidized to where you can see what it will do to your skin if you drag it at 2.5 millimeters. This is why I do not recommend to anybody that they do so, because you are literally tearing at your skin. Look at this. The banana skin has been lacerated. Moving along to 1.0. There are still seeming lacerations, although far less deep. So I suppose you could drag at this length, but I still wouldn't recommend it. Moving on to 0.5. Barely detectable. I don't know what happened. Trying to figure out. It just, you can see the little pinpricks. So safe to drag at this length. Now, 2.5, I would say go ahead and stamp. but only stamp, do not drag. I have seen videos of people dragging at this length and their face immediately is gushing with blood and they think it's normal and they're just swirling the blood around on their face. It's crazy. Don't do it. And now we're going to move on to the Derminator banana. All right, now we're talking about the Derminator. This bad boy sent me back about $250 plus. I can't remember exactly how much. The website does not offer any sort of warranty care, and they say for the price that they are able to manufacture this very professional machine, that they will not be offering you a whole lot of help to operate it. It's fine, because I want to show you the results of this machine. All right. Now take a look at me. You saw me dragging at 2.5. I dragged it. Look at that. Look at that. Just little pinpricks. It really truly is a professional machine. Now compare and contrast that to the Dr. Pen dragging that. I dragged both of these and I put the little rim right up to the surface of the skin of the banana. And you can just see the difference. It is truly remarkable. Moving on to 1.0, you can see the little dot marks. This is at medium speed. Fast, you will get more marks for sure. And they will be in more of a line. I did some previous tests. I would recommend a medium speed for anyone who wants to start out. I don't think I would do fast speeds with the Derminator personally, but truly it is a remarkably sophisticated machine. And then we have the 0.5, and you can see it does its job. It does what it's supposed to do. And the Dr. Pen at 1.0, look at that. I mean, the difference is astounding, and it's only about $100 more. Also did want to show you the numbing cream that I use. And I will be doing a video of me microneedling with the Derminator, where I use this lidocaine and prilocaine mix. Extremely powerful. It will literally turn your face white because the blood supply to your face has been cut off. You cannot feel anything. I was poking the tip of my nose with abandon. I couldn't feel anything. This stuff is great. It's called JPRO. I will leave a link in the description. So that concludes my microneedling device test for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or shoot me a message. I really do check comments more frequently though. Hope you've enjoyed and have a great day.